Whoa, what it do? It's your boy Currency coming to you with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Matter of fact, like, comment, subscribe right now before we even get into the video. Look, man, I got my nephew with me today. I'm finna take him to swimming lessons. But while he at swimming lessons, I'm finna be lifting weights. And you see the title on the video, it's gonna say something like beginner gym or how to start off in the gym or whatever. I'm driving swimming side to side. I just got off. I'm good. I just got off of. Yeah, so I'm finna drop him off in the class or whatever. Then I'm gonna just get back with y'all, just so y'all what you want to look for to do whenever you starting out, and you know, I'll just update y'all when I'm back in the. When I'm in the. Yeah, as you can see, I started off with some bicep bar curls. I just got back into doing those. I really couldn't do them until probably like 2 weeks ago. Good for the bicep to get a good pump. What you're gonna do is 12 reps for 4 sets, or you could do 12 reps for 5 sets, even 6 if you want to. It just depends on how you feeling, what type of pump you want, and if you really want some burn. Moving on to my next workout, it'll be also an arm workout, working the triceps. So I go from bicep to tricep, or tricep to bicep, however I'm feeling that day. As you can see, taking my time, making sure my form is right, making the mind and memory connection so I can get the best pump I can get. Like I said, you can go do 12 reps for 4 sets. You could do 5 or 6 sets, just depending on how you feeling, or you really could do failure. You can do as many sets up to failure, you know, depending on how you feel, type of pump you want. Just walking around, taking a little break, then cool off for a little bit. Gonna get back in there in a couple seconds. AMS. As you can see, I moved on to the incline Smith machine. Oh, this is not a Smith machine. It's a machine. The incline machine bench press. The only reason why I'm doing this on the machine because I had surgery 2 months ago and I can't go too heavy. As you can see, I'm throwing like probably 60. I think that was 60 or 50 or whatever. This 12 reps again. I had went down to 60 right there. 12 reps or whatever. This is gonna really work the chest. Upper chest is what you really want to get. You know, just the muscle pump. Like I said, this is for people who just starting out. You're not into lifting very heavy or calisthenics. You're not, you know, ready for that. This is to build a good foundation. You know, hypertrophy type thing. You know, you can see me with the little arc, trying to make sure I get the little. Yeah, I'm not extending all the way because keeping the tension there so I can get the pump. I'm not working towards. I'm working towards a muscle pump, you know. You gotta think about it like an air pump. The more you pump air into the bar, it's gonna, you know, blow up. The same thing with your muscles. Next is the shoulder. I recently just got back to doing this because, you know, I had surgery on my shoulder, so I couldn't do it as quickly as I wanted to. You know, same thing, 12 reps, 4 sets, lightweight, making sure I make the mind muscle connection, getting the pump in. It's basically all I'm doing. Focus on getting that pump. You will feel something, trust me. You will. Definitely if you a beginner. As for legs, I'm not able to do the barbell squat because my shoulder still has restrictions. But we're just gonna substitute that with some Bulgarian squats. You know, make sure we get a good deep squat. Probably like you start off with a 30-pound weight. You can do 20 if you need, but I'm like 40, 50 range. Make sure I get that burn. I like to feel the burn when I'm doing my workouts. 12 on each leg. Same thing, you know. Same thing for all my workouts. 12 reps, 4 sets. However you want to do it. Really don't matter. Just make sure you get that burn and that pump, and you'll be all right. Alright, moving on to the last segment of the workout is the abs. You always want to hit your core last because that's the hardest group to work. And you don't want to wear that out before you hit arms and stuff because it could affect your workout. As you can see, I'm doing some kick-ups. Make sure I'm getting my abdomen tight. This was one of my favorite ones because it's not that difficult to do, but it will give you a crazy burn. Crazy burn. I think I do anywhere from 20 to 30 reps on this, 4 sets. Sweet and simple, but it's effective. Sweet, simple, and effective. Like, you can't really beat that, honestly. Then I'm gonna do the side to sides. It's like, this is working your abdominals, and a lot of people neglect the abdominals because that gives you that top tier physique when it comes to the abs. Like, you have that it factor. Like, when you got the abdominals on the side, man, you could chat at Tyrone at that point, like really getting it in. Then I'll end it with some typical sit-ups. Just, patch everything up. And right here, typical sit-up just to patch everything up. Make sure everything all good. Get a little extra. That's pretty much it with the workout. Like I said, you're gonna do these 12 reps for 4 sets. Make sure you're drinking water in between. Make sure you get a good mind-muscle connection, and you will see results. Not instantly, but you will see results so quickly. Remember, when it's working out, nothing is instant. It's all over time and consistency. So just remember it. Like I said, it's the end of the video, man. I'll make something else for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, for real. But yeah, see y'all boys later, man.